Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel a Patreon membership. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.patreon.com, which will lead you to the official website of Patreon. So simply get signed in into your account, and once you are signed in into your account, all you need to do now is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. So once you do this, you will get an option called Manage Membership. So simply tap on Manage Memberships, and once you have done this as well, you will end up in this kind of interface where there are all the memberships that you have taken. So simply select a membership or the channel of which you want to cancel your membership and hit the edit option. So once you have selected it, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find an option called edit or cancel membership. So simply tap on that particular option, and after you do it, you will now have an option called cancel your membership. So simply tap on cancel your membership, and it will now show you what you are going to lose once you have cancelled your membership. However, as you are firm in your decision, you need to tap on cancel your membership. Once you are done, you need to now provide them reasons why you had cancelled your membership, and after you provide it, you need to hit the submit button and you are all good to go. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.